Why do 45% of adults snore regularly? The answer might surprise you. Snoring is more than a bedtime nuisance. It could be a warning sign of something serious called obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. OSA means your airway gets blocked during sleep, leading to loud snoring and broken sleep. This can cause daytime fatigue and, in severe cases, heart problems. But here's the good news. There are ways to tackle snoring. Devices like positive airway pressure machines, anti-snoring mouthpieces, and special mouth exercises can help. Even shedding a few pounds can make a big difference. So if you're a loud and frequent snorer, don't ignore the snore. Talk to your doctor and take control of your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy.